It seems like Vodafone won't be the only casualty of the government's move to retrospectively amend Section 9 of the Income Tax Act. Now, since the Act deals with the taxability of overseas investments and clarifies that even indirect ownership would be taxable under the Indian law, foreign portfolio investors are suddenly a worried lot. Now, they fear that the adoption of the new tax forms or other norms could impact FII investments through the participatory notes route as well, or P-notes. Not just that, the general anti-avoidance rules which come into effect next week, that is the 1st of April 2012, will mean that the tax department will have the right to deny individuals and entities the benefits of any tax avoidance treaty that may presently exist. Simran Gill joins in with more details on the implications of this one. Simran.
Well, Aisha, as you mentioned, that with GAAR coming into effect from April 1st, sources tell ET now that foreign investors are worried that IT department could also come after participatory notes, because as you know, GAAR will allow the IT department to tax transactions that are designed and rooted to save tax. Even participatory notes are instruments which allow investors to save tax by routing those investments to tax havens like Mauritius. And if that were to actually happen, it could have tax implications on these instruments which are sold by the likes of Goldman Sachs, Citi, HSBC, etc. But this is still a grey area and a matter of much debate amongst tax lawyers as well as foreign investors as to what the IT department stand on this issue will be. Because if you see the Vodafone case, it's more and less about the ownership interest. But as far as the P-notes are concerned, it is more about the ownership interest, where the risk or the reward lies with the third party. So certainly there has to be some clarity on this issue by the IT department. But market insiders tell us that come April, P-notes issuances could come to a standstill because the foreign investors still need to know what the IT department stand on this particular issue will be. And it's very important to note here that P-notes contribute to nearly 17% of the total FII investments into India. That is approximately 1,80,000 crore rupees. So certainly early days yet, but we'll have to see whether the foreign investors exit these positions or not to avoid any tangle or any issues with the IT department.